In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple photos in one LinkedIn post. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to select several images at once, and how to polish your post before sharing it with your network. First, log into your LinkedIn account and head to your homepage. At the top of your feed, find the box that says Start a Post. This is where every post begins. At the bottom of that box, you'll see several options. Click Photo to open your computer's file browser, so you can choose the images you want to include. When the file picker opens, you can add more than one photo in a single go. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard while you click each photo you want to include. Keep Control pressed as you select and release it when you're done. If you change your mind, you can click an image again to deselect it before you proceed. Once you've chosen all your images, click Open. LinkedIn will load them into an editor window so you can preview everything together. Inside the editor, take a moment to make quick adjustments that help your post look its best. Click any image to crop it, apply a filter, or tweak brightness and other basics. Small edits can make a big difference in the feed, especially if your photos come from different sources. If your images include people you want to recognize, tag them so they're notified and can engage with the post. You can also add alternative text for each image. Alt text is a short description of what's in the photo, which supports screen readers and improves accessibility for your audience. Before moving on, review the entire set so each image is clear, cropped the way you like, and consistent in style. High-resolution, well-lit photos tend to look more professional and perform better. When everything looks good, click Next at the bottom of the editor. On the final screen, add your caption. Share the context for your photos so your audience understands what they're seeing and why it matters. Keep it concise but meaningful, and make sure it aligns with the message you want to convey. When you're ready, click Post. Give it a moment to publish, then view it on your profile to double-check that everything appears as intended. That's all it takes to add multiple photos in one LinkedIn post. If this walkthrough helped, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.